Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the ramen with the link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans.
And this is Miles.
And it's time for another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang, the Mukbang show where we try something spicy and you get to just sit there and watch while we burn. Today we've got this is Samyang Bulldog 2X Spicy. This is the first time you're trying the 2X.
Yep.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you going to pound it down?
Yeah, I'm a little nervous.
You going to rock the party?
Yes.
Alright. Well, here's what we've got. Here's the pretty picture I took. I didn't add anything to it. Here we are. It's, yeah, we got noodles. We got the junk on top. You don't have to eat the junk on top if you don't want to. You can eat around it. All right, so you got your weapon. We should do our quick beverage hit. All right, so let's see what we got here. Looks pretty spicy. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Don't get it all in your eyes or you'll die. You will die if you get it in your eyeballs. Try to lean forward a little bit so it doesn't get all over the floor. And are you ready?
Ready.
Set?
Go.
What do you think? Not as spicy as you thought, is it?
Yeah, I'm on fire.
What do you mean? On
Yeah.
fire?
Yeah. Crazy. Crazy fire. But it is really good.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow. Is it spicy?
Kinda.
You gotta
Too
eat
much.
it.
Too much hot. Too much spicy. Oh. But it is amazing.
You done?
For me. I
Tapping out. All right.
Done.
Done. Wow.
Yeah. Wow. World's hottest noodle.
No. Not the world's hottest.
Spiciest.
Pretty hot. No.
Oh.
This is like cotton candy compared to the worst one.
Yeah.
You need to wipe your face off, dude. You have death all over your face.
Yeah, but it is really good though.
Well, you did it.
Yeah.
You did the 2X. High five. Was it hot enough for you?
Good. It
Really?
was hot.
Yeah?
You
How
know
many
what?
stars would you give it?
I would give it 5 out of 5.
I'd give it a 2. It's just heat. It's just heat.
Wow.
That's the way I feel about it. If you really liked it, right on. A lot of people really like that. But yeah, my mouth is still burning. My nose is runny. I got a little bit of sweat on my brow. Yeah, but yeah, 2X.
Yeah. 2 times.
You want to do 3X? That's what you said.
God.
Yeah.
Oh my god, if I tried that, then my mouth would smell like death after that. Yeah.
Well, all right. Well, this has been Hans, and this has been
Miles.
the champion. Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Each and every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.
To the collective!
Glory to the workers! Glory to the noodle! The party provides for victory!